While we're here on these different operators like double equals, triple equals, let's talk about and or. So let's go ahead and get in here. And in JavaScript, you do something like if we say true and false, this statement is going to be false, because if something's true and false, if we're using the and operator, both of these have to be true in order for it to be true. If we say true and true, this is true. Now let's switch this, and I'm sure you've seen the or operator before. If we say true or true, this will be true. If we say true or false, this will also be true. Only one of the two sides of the or operator need to be true for the whole thing to be true. If we say false or false, this will be false. In CoffeeScript, again, it's a lot easier than that. Better, above TypeScript and ES6 in my opinion. We can say something like console.log, and then we'll say true and true. Instead of the double and signs, the ampersand signs, we just say and like that. So true and true should be true. Let's log it. Yeah, true and true is true. Now let's do true and false. Like this. Save it. Run it. We get false, because both of these have to be true in order for the and statement to be true. Let's change this to or. You guessed it, in CoffeeScript it's just going to be or, like this. We don't need to use this anymore. It's much cleaner, easier to read. True or false. True or false should return true. Only one side has to be true for it to be true. Perfect. True. Let's clear this to avoid confusion. If we say false or false, let's say, yep, false or false. This, of course, will be false. Perfect. False.